food we get from plants. Plants are of many kinds. They are of different in their shapes and size. Some are big while others are small. Trees are big plants. They have a thick stem called the trunk. They are also of different shapes and size. Trees such as the fir, spruce, deodar, and pine that grow on the mountains are tall and conical. Trees that grow on the plains spread broad. Gulmohar, mango, peepal, kikar, and jamun are the examples of the trees that grow on the plains. Coconut and palm trees grow near the sea. They are tall with big leaves on the top. Gulmohar, that is a tree, grows in the plains. Pine is a tree that grows in the mountains. Coconut, a tree that grows near the sea. Do you know, children, the redwood trees are the tallest trees in the world. They grow as tall as 360 feet. Redwood trees are found in California, USA. Shrubs are the smaller than the trees. Instead of one big trunk, they have many branches growing together from the bottom. They have hard and rough branches. Shrubs grow throughout the year. Herbs are small seasonal plants. Their stems are soft. These plants do not grow very tall. They grow in a particular season and then dry up. New plants grow from their seeds in the same season next year. Mint, spinach, dahlia, tuberose, tomato, and chrysanthemum are some herbs. Climbers. Some plants have very weak stems and cannot grow straight up on their own. They need a support to climb. Such plants are called climbers. Some climbers have tiny coiled parts of the leaves and stems to hold on to the support. Some examples of the climbers are money plant, grapevine, and pea plant. Now the next are the creepers. These are the plants with the weak stems and cannot grow straight up. They grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Most of the creepers have large and heavy fruits. These fruits too grow on the ground. For example, pumpkin, gourd, watermelon, and muskmelon are example of creepers. Plants give us food. Plants are the source of the food for all living beings. We get a variety of the food items from the plants. We eat different parts of the different plants. Plants also give us fruits like the mango, banana, cherry, lychee, melons, apples, oranges, and custard apple. Carrot, radish, turnip, and sweet potato that we eat are the roots of the plants. The stems which we eat. We eat the stem of some plants like the potato and ginger. That are the underground stems. Sugarcane is a stem full of juice, and sugarcane juice is used to make the jaggery and sugar. Green leafy vegetables are good for our health. We eat leaves of the spinach, lettuce, fenugreek, and the mustard plant. Flowers of some plants are also edible. We eat the flowers of banana, basil, bottle gourd, and broccoli. Vegetable with seeds are actually the fruits of the plants. Cucumber, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, pumpkin, tomato, beans, and okra are the fruits of the plants, and we eat them as the vegetables. Many seeds make the cereals of our diet, and we eat them daily. Wheat, rice, corn, and millets are the seeds we eat. A cereal is made out of seeds. It is eaten in every meal. Pulses are also seeds of the different plants. Some seeds are eaten as the spices. Spices have a special aroma, smell, and taste. They make food tasty. The food smells good. Some commonly used spices are chili, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, carom seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, and pepper. Some seeds are eaten as the dry fruit like the cashews, almonds, pine nuts, and walnuts are some seeds that we eat. Seeds of the mustard, corn, coconut, and sesame are crushed to get the edible that can be eaten as the oil. Other useful plants like the medicinal plants, leaves of the basil, neem, many other plants are used for making medicines. The outer cover bark of the cinchona tree is used for making the medicine for treating malaria. Gum arabic, hollyhock, garlic, aloe vera, and marshmallow are some medicinal plants. Some people use the twigs of the neem and kika tree for cleaning their teeth. Plants are of the different shapes and size. Trees are biggest plants. The other type of the plants are the shrubs, herbs, and climbers and creepers. Most of our food comes from the plant. We eat different parts of the different plants. Some plants are used for making medicines and the spices which we eat to make our food delicious. Two trees that grow in the plains are gulmohar and mango. Two trees that grow on the mountain are deodar and pine. Two trees that grow near the sea are coconut and palm. Two shrubs are like tulsi and rose. Two climbers like the money plant and the grapevine. Two creepers like the pumpkin and watermelon. Two medicinal plants like the tulsi and neem. Some vegetables are actually fruits of their plants because they are developed from the flower. Sugarcane juice is used for making sugar and jaggery. We eat roots of these plants like the beetroot, carrot, radish, and turnip. Green leafy vegetables are good for health, so we eat cabbage, spinach, lettuce, and fenugreek leaves. We add spices to our food because they add taste and aroma. Can you guess, children, who am I? I have coils to hold on to my support and grow. That is grapevine. We are the seeds you eat daily in your meals, like pulses. I'm a seasonal plant with a soft stem, like the herbs. My fruits grow on the ground, like the creepers. My bark is used for making medicines for malaria, like cinchona. People use my twig to brush their teeth. That's the neem. Aloe vera, that is a medicinal plant and used in making medicine. Sesame seeds, they gives oil. Pine nut tree, that is a kind of dry fruit. Do you know, children, mushroom is a small plant we cook and eat. There are many varieties of the mushroom. Some are poisonous, only a few varieties are edible. Soybean are the seeds. The flour of these seeds is used in making many food items like soya chops, soya chunks, soya granules, etc. The seeds are crushed to take out oil. The soya oil is used in cooking and also for machines. The two main parts of the plant are stem and root. The seed needs water, air, and sunlight to germinate. A leaf needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and minerals to make its food. Climbers are the with weak stems. Cereals are some spices, and the spices are what they are the seeds of different plants. These are the name of some things we get from the plants and eat as food. What part of the plant it is? Potato, that is underground stem. Turnip, that is root. Broccoli, that's flower. Rice, that's seed. And pepper, that is also seed. Millets, wheat, rice, and corn are seeds. Twigs of neem and kikar are used by some people to clean teeth. Almond and walnuts are also seeds. Grapevine is a climber. It holds a plant and provides water to it. That's the root part of the plant. It is a month of March. If somebody wants to grow some vegetables in the kitchen garden, which kind of the vegetable the person can grow? You can think and write in the comments. And the projects you can make, like take some pumpkin seeds and sow them in a corner of the garden in your home and keep the soil moist and see it growing. Another project that you can make, children, that is plants nursery and see